it's like I took a photo and I send them. I send it. Sorry. So it's not cool. It's not like I can do I don't know, like a writing, and I can, it's not the same.
Yeah, it's not the same. It's not the same. I understand. Yeah. Okay, thank you. And you guys?
Yeah.
Awful.
Why, Gabo?
I mean, I have to study by myself all calculus and a little bit of algebra by myself. And I cannot do that without a teacher, because that's why I go to school. Because, I mean, it's a little bit difficult to me. I mean, I'm trying, but the teacher doesn't send exercise, and the exercise used to be different from the exam and the one that I see online. So it's rough, because I'm actually not studying anything of that subject, and that's a little bit worrying because I don't know what's going on.
Yes, I understand that part, because maths, for me, maths are like language. It's something you understand, then you try to practice, and then you produce. So I think that's why maths is kind of like the same. It's not like you understand and that's it. No, you have to prove that you understood by doing some other exercises, because every single formula or every single equation is different. So that's why. But
exactly, and not all the exercises are the same. So I mean, in the book you see a pretty easy exercise, and when you go to another, you have like 1,000 of questions. So that doesn't seem like the book. I don't understand anything.
That don't seem like the book. That don't seem like the book.
Don't seem like.
Yes, yes. And you, Carlita?
I don't have school.
Your house school? Yeah, I know. But you've been doing something, right?
Not really. I just eat and sleep.
Not in that order.
Not in that order. Okay. The rest of you guys, what do you think? Would you like to share your experience so far, or would you like to answer to that question we have over here? Like, how would these things change in the near future? Work, holidays, transport, or entertainment?
In my case, I want to do an internship in Colombia, and then I'm not sure if we would be able to do that.
That's the problem. You wanted to leave, no? In August, no?
Yes, in August.
But now you will have to wait.
Yes, probably the program will be postponed, but I don't know if it's going to happen like that.
Anybody else?
Unfortunately, we haven't bought flights and anything like that, because if we have done it, it would be very, very difficult.
Yes, you would. I mean, there's like a law that helps us in these situations. Like, they would have to reschedule your flight, for example. But yes, it's a lot of paperwork and time and effort to change all of those things. So thank God you didn't buy the tickets, or you haven't bought the tickets. Let's hope you can go. Let's hope you can go.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Lucio. Okay, how about let's just focus on this part right now, and I'm gonna try to answer the questions. No, okay, work, things will change. Obviously, they have already changed. For example, me, I have to work like this. Okay, but some other people, I have friends who were working at as part of it was a financial institution, and they right now they have to do home office. They say it's kind of difficult for them because they don't feel the pressure. Personally, I hate pressure. I don't like people telling me what to do. I just hate that. That's why I'm a teacher. So but they love that. they say that if nobody tells them what to do and that they have only this time to do it and they schedule their activities, then they don't do it. In my case, I feel freer because I just decide when to work and whatever, but they need that. And now they're home and nobody's telling them what to do. So sometimes they start working really late because they do other things.
Yes.
Then when they realize it's already midnight and they have to keep on working because the whole day they did nothing, so it's like I don't know, like a bad thing for them. Holidays, obviously, it'll change.
There's been a lot of people who celebrate their birthdays on Zoom or some other platform.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's I don't know who did that or who's done that, but for me that's lame. I'm sorry. I'm sorry because I'm not a gregarious person. Okay. Some people are gregarious by nature, so they need to be in touch with other people. It's not I celebrated with myself. I invited myself to the Zoom session, and we were like, "Yeah, what's up, my nigga?" What? And then we celebrated like that. But it was. How about transport?
For example,
Yeah, Chio.
for example, some routes are now canceled. The route to, I don't know, I'm not sure. I think that to Santa Fe, it's canceled, and now people who need to travel to Santa Fe, they need to pay a taxi about 600 pesos, maybe, compared to, I don't know, 100 pesos
For the bus.
round trip. Yes.
That's awful, right? That's awful. Yes, no, that's just crazy. How about entertainment?
Well, mm,
Well, in these days, there have been like some live concerts. Some people, some artists have like made a session where people can see them wherever they are.
Live streaming. No?
Yes.
That's the trend. Right now that's the trend. Live streaming.
I'm streaming.
Also,
Yeah.
I think that they are doing like a benefit concert with a bunch of artists, and I think it's today, but I'm not sure. They are doing like to raise funds for to donate.
Do
And
you
also all in a live stream, of course.
Yes, part of the earnings go to charity, like I don't know how to say organizations or events. Do you think it is likely that in 1 year will still be the same?
No, I hope not.
You don't know?
I
Or
mean,
you say that there's absolutely no way that in 1 year we're gonna be still taking classes or taking lessons via Zoom or any other platform? No. That's
I think that if the citizens still go outside and still, like not taking care of themselves, it would happen,
yes.
because this is never gonna to stop.
yes.
I think not like this, not like this, like being locked down, and but I think that more or less maybe.
Okay, because I heard someone. No, yes, it was just a woman talking about Bill Gates. She mentioned that Bill Gates on a conference mentioned the fact that we will go through these waves of massive death in the following years because every certain time, there will be a new virus. And then we will have to somehow remain locked down, just as you said, Julieta. I don't know how true that is. I just heard that, but I have no idea. So we have making predictions in the following part, and they give us examples of how to use them, and I tried to use one or two of them. Did you notice? Could you please look at them and tell me which ones I used while we were talking?
It's unlikely.
Yes, Amelie, I used that one.
You also said there's absolutely no way.
That, yes, you're right. Yes, you're right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, you have many others over here. You have many others. Could you please use one to talk about all these things we have been mentioning and say one sentence with any of those and any of the ideas we shared, please?
I just have a question.
Yeah.
When do I use is bound to?
Okay. Our destiny is bound to the existence of viruses around the world. Do you understand the meaning of the word bound?
Depend.
No.
No. It's like this.
Connected. Like,
Yes, it's more than connected. You can connect something and then you can unplug it, plug it, unplug it, right? But bond is like, oh, right? It's a very strong connection.